Hey guys, welcome to OMG. Today we'll be seeing what are all the top 3 free websites to start your blog and earn a ton of money from it. Have you ever thought of earning money in your own comfort zone at home? Yeah, that's a dream come true, leaving all those 9 to 5 jobs and working at your home, right? So in this video we'll be seeing how you can earn money even when you are in your vacation and enjoying your time off with your family with just a free website. You don't even have to spend anything initially, no investments. So number 1 is Blogger. Blogger is actually Google centric platform which is hosted by Google. So you don't have to pay anything upfront, and if you want to change your domain from the default blogspot.com, you can actually buy your own in Google or in GoDaddy or some other domain provider. So in this you have integrated AdSense already in earnings tab. If you want to know how to get started in Blogger, I have a video, I will just link it above. Number 2 is WordPress.com. WordPress is my personal favorite because it actually gives you a lot of themes and customization options where you can actually make a professional website. If you want to earn a lot of money by making your website more professional, you can actually opt to WordPress because it will just make an like an uplift to your own profile online. But the one default, one problem in this one is you have to upgrade to some premium plan in order to get the monetization available in your WordPress, because monetization comes with plugins. Plugins are if you want to improve your SEO, or you want to improve your or give a subscription to your mail letter, you need a plugin. So comparing themes, look at Blogger. It will have limited themes, but in this you have very professional and contemporary themes available in your free plan itself. So I think WordPress is actually giving you a lot of professional themes available, but it will be only for free, and you cannot monetize it, but you can do affiliate marketing to earn money with your free blog itself. Can you see you have WooCommerce, Yoast and other SEO tools, Google Analytics, everything comes under plugins only. Plugins are you have to install it. In order to install it, you have to buy some premium plan in it, from WordPress. So buying premium plan is you have kind of set of 3 plans. 200 per month is the basic plan. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. So number 3 is Wix. Wix.com is another favorite of mine because you can actually edit your own theme itself however you want in free plan. But in this one is also other two, the domain name will be .wix.com. In WordPress you will be getting .wordpress.com, your site name .wordpress.com. In Blogger you will get your site name .blogspot.com. So in this you will get .wix.com, and at the end of in the footer column of your website you will be getting the Wix trademark. So it will be not looking so professional if you are in free, but this one is actually cheap when you are comparing with WordPress, because this one comes with a premium plan for ₹29 per month, and which will be billed only annually. Even in WordPress it's annual billing only, but per month it will be 200 rupees, which is bit costly. If you don't want that, you can actually opt this one. This one will also be giving you a professional and a contemporary website. So I really like the themes of Wix. You can try it for yourself. It's really nice. The theme will be really nice. You have lots of options, you can opt out from portfolio or what kind of website you are going to create. They will already be having a customized website. They will ask you a few questions and you can just get started with your website itself. You don't have to design it from scratch. They will already be having some simple templates for each and every field required. So you have to choose, if it's a cooking blog, they will have a separate designs. If you are a beauty blogger, they will have different website design. So you have to just choose it and start blogging directly. So this is really nice to get started. So try Wix and look at the price in the WordPress. It's 200 per month. For it will be billed annually. This is personal if you are a single person, and for business plan it will differ. In single person itself there is basic plan and premium plan. So premium plan will be $350 per month, and this one is full premium plan itself 29 per month, and which is billed annually. I think this is cheaper and best for a professional website, you can just opt out this one. Look for yourself. I think this will be fine. For free website in this one, you have to just choose sign in and start. So that's all for today, guys. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye.